Norway has taken a significant step to enhance its national security by placing a new order for NASAMS air defense systems, worth approximately $250 million. This investment will significantly boost Norway's air defense capabilities, ensuring the country is better equipped to handle aerial threats of all kinds. The new deal includes the delivery of advanced multi-missile canister launchers and fire distribution centers for NASAMS, replacing older equipment previously sent to Ukraine. This addition is part of Norway's ongoing effort to modernize its military infrastructure and reinforce its defense against evolving aerial threats. Norway's defense minister, Bjorn Arild Gram, highlighted the rapid pace of the country's military expansion, noting that in less than a year, Norway has secured deliveries equivalent to 4 complete NASAMS batteries. This swift action is a key part of Norway's proactive approach to defense, with a strong foundation laid for future acquisitions. The NASAMS system, developed by Kongsberg Defence and Aerospace in partnership with Raytheon, has been a cornerstone of Norway's air defense since the 1990s. Today, it is used by 13 nations and is recognized globally for its flexibility, reliability, and effectiveness in intercepting a range of aerial threats. Gro Kjær, director of the Defence Materiel Agency, emphasized that air defense remains a top priority in Norway's long-term military spending plans. This new acquisition ensures that the Norwegian armed forces are equipped with the most modern air defense technologies, strengthening both national security and NATO's collective defense posture. One of the key strengths of NASAMS is its modular design, allowing it to adapt and integrate new technologies as they become available. With a range of up to 50 kilometers, the system is capable of intercepting a variety of aerial threats, including low-flying cruise missiles, aircraft, drones, and even ballistic missiles. Its flexibility makes it effective against both traditional and emerging threats, including complex drone swarms and advanced cruise missiles. NASAMS' open architecture allows for easy upgrades, ensuring it remains at the forefront of air defense technology. Additionally, its compatibility with NATO systems enhances Norway's role in collective security efforts, ensuring seamless cooperation with allied forces. Kongsberg Defence and Aerospace is also expanding its production capacity to meet the rising demand for advanced air defense systems. With a strong network of suppliers and partners, the company is helping to ensure that both Norwegian and international forces have access to the most advanced and adaptable defense technologies. In conclusion, Norway's decision to acquire additional NASAMS air defense systems reflects its commitment to maintaining a robust defense strategy. With the ongoing evolution of aerial threats, NASAMS will remain a key component of Norway's efforts to protect its national security and contribute to global defense preparedness. The system's adaptability and technological advancement ensure that it will continue to provide a versatile and future-proof solution for years to come.